can dance if we want to. We can leave your friends behind, 'cause your friends don't.
In 1170, in Pisa, Italy, though some may say Pisa, a young genius named Leonardo of Pisa, or Leonardo Pisano in Italian, was born, though we may more commonly know him as Fibonacci. Fibonacci was educated in North Africa, where his father, Guglielmo Bonacci, held a diplomatic post. Fibonacci was taught mathematics in Bulgaria. He traveled widely with his father and recognized the numerous advantages of the mathematical systems used in the countries they visited. In Bulgaria, Fibonacci was exposed and learned about the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, which he later spread to the Western world. Out on the open sea, Fibonacci experienced all kinds of obstacles the ocean threw at him. Sometimes, even if it was a blue sky day, in order to stay afloat, Fibonacci himself would paddle a Dodge sailboat all the way to his place of schooling. Crazy. Fibonacci ended his travels in approximately 1200 and settled down in Pisa, where for the next 25 years he composed a number of texts in which he did important work in number theory and the solution of algebraic equations, among other important things.
Some of those important things include the introduction of Hindu-Arabic mathematics into Western culture. This is not a mathematic discovery, but more of a compilation of known techniques for a new audience. Fibonacci did not create any original expositions. He just compiled techniques of Arabic, arithmetic, and algebra.
Fibonacci also is responsible for introducing Arab mathematics to the Arabs, for math was only used by scientists and mathematicians before then.
Fibonacci numbers or sequences are numbers that follow this sequence: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and 144. By definition, the first two numbers are either 1 and 1 or 0 and 1. The next number in the sequence comes from adding the two previous numbers, like 0 plus 1 equals 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2, and 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 3 plus 2 equals 5, and 5 plus 3 equals 8, and 8 plus 5 equals 13, and so on. The Fibonacci numbers are the sums of the diagonals of Pascal's triangle as represented by this equation.
Why is the sequence important?
If you map out the squares with sides and the ration to the Fibonacci sequence and connect the nodules of the squares, this creates the golden spiral. After Fibonacci made up his sequence, he realized this spiral is seen everywhere in nature, in pine cones, pineapples, ocean waves, and many more things. Even man-made products are manufactured according to the Fibonacci sequence, like microwaves, computer screens, and canvases.
The date of Fibonacci's death is unknown, but it's estimated to be between 1240 and 1250, most likely in Pisa. But Fibonacci will always be remembered for his interesting and well thought out Fibonacci sequence. Thank you, Fibonacci.
Every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaken, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high.
We can dance if we want to. We can leave your friends behind, 'cause your friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, well, they're no friends.